This video will show the assignment that is assigned on the yesterday's meeting of CNC meeting. Following this figure, after drawing it, would then be programmed in the simulation CNC. CME simulator that would allow us to use the lathe machine in simulator. In simulation, I mean. And this dimensions given will be scaled down half of its size. That's why 140 converted or divided by 2, 70, 150, 60, 30, 40, 20. 20, 30, 40, 45, 55, 70, 55, and so on and so forth. Okay. And then, since it is scaled down, the workpiece diameter is then set to 70 and the clamp length is set to 15. Then the third complete set uses the 005 general turning and facing tool. Proceeding on to the program codes. 00001 is the program number. Then the start of the program is G97, which is the absolute or constant RPM mode. M03 for spindle clockwise, having the spindle speed of 1000 RPM or S1000. Then the tool O1, tool number 1, and offset number 1, which is T0101. Then the next line is G000, the rapid traverse at the coordinate point of X71 and Z1. Okay, for the origin, it is in the face or the top or the front of the stock. Therefore, positive z-axis is beyond the stock and the negative axis is the stock, or when cutting it cuts the stock. Then since after it goes to the starting point of X71Z1, it would then go for a better and much closer position for the program to start its sequence or cutting. Then for the stock cutting or big stock cutting, large amount or big stock, we'll have to use the code G71, which G71 has two lines or composed of two lines, one showing, or the first line shows the depth of cut, which is U of 2.0, and the amount or retract amount or amount of retract of 1.0. Then the next line of G71 is P6 and Q7. P6 is the start of the sequence or the start of the sequence or the yes, the start of the sequence is the start of the sequence, and Q7 is the end of the sequence of cutting. Then for the finishing touches or finishing allowance, the letters that are used is U and W, having an amount of 0.5 cutting allowances with the feed rate of 0.25. The next line of N6 is the start of where the finishing allowances is going to smooth out the stock remaining after cutting the stock on what is set, or what is shown here. The, the stock will first be cut at the top or the outer part of the stock. Or doon magmumula yung pagsisimula ng cutting process, which will then go step by step, bits by bits, until it reaches the uh, 40 or 40 divided by 2 diameter, or the most inner part of the stock that would be turned or will be cut. Ano ba? Yun, hanggang makapunta sa point ng 40 or divided by 2, 20 diameter ng figure or ng stock. Then, gagawin naman itong N6 to N7 is yung, ayun nga, smoothing process. So, after cutting the stock, it would then smooth out the remaining part or remaining bits for better result. Then, N7, which is the sequence or the end sequence, it would then end on G01 70 Z minus 85. For then, after finishing or after it went to the line N7, then finishing the sequence, it would then proceed to go back to the starting point, should then be the end point. Then M30 for program end and reset. For better representation or understanding of how N6 and N7 works, let's watch the process. The first line of G71 affects how fast the tool cuts the stock, therefore having a lower amount of U or U or U then number. You will have a slower cutting process, but I guess the good side would be a more accurate and precise cutting motion, or cutted or part, more accurate cutted part. additional explanation for the G01 in N6, since it is linear interpolation. The first coordinate, or where the smooth process starts, is in the x20, or the diameter 40 divided by 2, which is 20. Then z0 in the origin point of z. Then it goes in accordance to the next set coordinates of x30 and g minus 30, x20 z0, then x20 z minus 15. That's why it has a flat or flat shape in here in this part. Then after that, G01 linear interpolation to x30, which is in here, and G minus 30, which is going more further back. Then x30 retaining its x-axis, then moving further back to negative 40. Then the next line is x50, which is this diameter, 100 divided by 250. Then z minus 45, moving again further back to have this shape, these slants. It continuously cuts going to the next coordinate point. Then x50, z55, it only moves backwards. Then the next line is x70, which is in this diameter, and z minus 65, creating a slant shape part. Then to smooth the outer part is the G01, X70, and Z negative 85. Then after finishing finishing the end part of the sequence, the tool would go back to the starting position, also the end position of G00, X100, Z5, then M30 for program and end reset.